Ani habusho kinuya. Uh, Nitabatal manakidwin paazhaa. I want to talk about this word. I went to paazhaa. In Nishnabé, if you're going somewhere, you say paazhaa, ni paazhaa, kui paazhaa. This is just a small lesson, Manda. There's so many ways you can teach this. Nahang Gamashta. I'll begin. Basic. I went to the bank. Gi paazhaa, junia gamgung. Gi paazhaa, junia gamgung. Junia is money, so this is the money building. Junia gamgung. Niche. They went to the arena. Gi jaok, gi paazhaok, josko de gamgung. Gi paazhaok, josko de gamgung. Josko de gamgung is the word for arena, but that word joskwa means slippery. So, because you go slipping around in that building, so the slipping building or whatever. Swe. We went to the store. Gi paazhaa me. Adawe gamgung. Gi paazhaa me. Adawe gamgung. Adawe gamgung is the word for store, but adawe is to trade or to sell. So the trading lodge. Niwin. We are going to the hospital. Da paazhaa me. Akusi gamgung. Da paazhaa me. Akusi gamgung. Akusi gamgung is the word for hospital, but what it really means is the sick building, the sick lodge where there is sickness. Akusi is a sickness. If you put mi at the end of paazhaa, it means you and somebody else. You guys. Paazhaa me. Now, that's another lesson. Nanan. They are going to the school. We noa paazhaok akinomage gamgung. We noa paazhaok akinomage gamgung. Kinomage gamgung is the word for school, but what it really means is the Earth Teaching Lodge. It's the teaching lodge. Kinomage gamgung. Godoswe. We all went to church, to the church. We all went to the church. Ninwe, kena, gi paazhaa me, aneme gamgung. Aneme gamgung, the praying lodge where you go to pray. Aneme gamgung. Nishwaswe. Did you go to the basement? Gi paazhaa na, namsak. Ki paazhaa na, namsak. That na is like an indicator that it's a question. Ki paazhaa na, did you go? Namsak, under the lodge, under the building, under the logs, under the wood. Namsak. Shwaswe. Yes, I went to the basement. Nin gi paazhaa namsak. Nin gi paazhaa namsak. Janswe. No, not me. I did not go to the basement. Ka, kaiwin, nin gi paazhaa si namsak. Ka, no. Kawin, not me. Nin gi paazhaa si, did not go. Namsak, to the basement. Now, mi wandana ekkadya. Bama minwa ha migoch.